Goes a low full toss, and that has been carved away on the offside. That's going to run away for 4 as well. Hit away straight over the head of the fielder at mid-off, and that's going to run away for 4. To end his own, Salman Shikani now bowling his third, that too in the batting power play. It's a full toss. Used his feet, hit it towards mid-wicket and gets another 4. Operating in the first 7 overs for Aram. Pickish outside edge. He's going to earn himself a very fortunate goal. As he flies another one. Driven on the offside, there is a fielder at cover and he misfields it. Takes the 2 wickets. Short in length. Put away on the leg side, Fayaz Hussain. And he's going to give up the chase. Almost touching 14 and over. Shorter in length. And he has dismissed that ball out of the sides. Well, you can hear the cheers from the dugout. That was a magnificent hit from Rehan. Once again, slightly shorter, getting onto the back foot and flat batting it over long gone. Bull toss and gets the treatment it deserves. Once again, the ball has disappeared into the trees on the leg side. The bowling attack, the fast bowler being introduced, and he has been greeted for a big shot on the leg side. And if I'm not wrong, the ball has sailed. He goes once again, another chance, but it goes over his head. Chase down the remaining runs. Full toss, and it's a big hit. And the mid-wicket fielder will just be a spectator. Full toss, put away on the offside, into the fence for 4. And they have been helped by some vivid bowling. Shorter in length, put away over the fielder at short third man. Back-to-back boundaries for Rehan. Put on the boundary option for Rehan. Shorter in length. What a hit that is. That's a magnificent blow from Rehan. And the punch of the fist between the 2 batters. It was short in length, and look at how well he has timed that one. A bit of Caribbean flavor behind that stroke, lifting his left leg and dismissing that ball over square leg. Behind Eder. Fuller, driven straight down the ground for a maximum. There is no stopping Rehan tonight, that is for sure. Ends the over with yet another maximum. Another slower delivery targeting the stump, clearing his front leg and hitting it out of the ground. He moves on to 98 with that killer blow, Rehan. Shuffling across the crease, playing it on the leg side, gets it into the gap. Running the first one hard, will come back for the second runs, and that's a magnificent century. He can celebrate it. What a knock this has been from Rehan. The dugout enjoys it. So do we. What a knock this has been. 101 from 54 deliveries, and he's being congratulated by the opposition as well. What a marathon knock this has turned out to be. You have seen boundaries, you have seen maximums, 8 boundaries and 7 sixes to be precise in this innings. He goes for a big one. It's up in the air. There is a fielder at mid-wicket. Really good effort, but he helps the ball over the boundary ropes for yet another 6.